What's up, guys? I'm Tone Balogne. This is Malone Post, and today we're going to be looking at my microphone I use. Now, I bought this microphone specifically for a podcast I have on the side, and that's because I wanted something for the video format that basically looked more professional. So when you're looking at microphones for, production, you have lavalier mics, you have the types of mics that I use at the other studio, and then you have the kind of blended option in between as far as sound quality goes. Now, first off, this model is available on Amazon. We will have it with our affiliate link in the description down below. It does retail for 99 Canadian dollars. And it comes with a lot of really cool accessories that we'll talk through right now. So first off, like every other USB microphone on the market, you do have a printer cable for some reason that is the connection for it. I'm not 100% sure why they use a printer cable, but they do. So first off, it does come with the arm here, which does rotate, change all your angles. You can move it really realistically wherever you want. It has also pieces here as well to move here. You can move this up and down. You also have the connector on the swivel arm right here that allows you to swing it in any direction you want. Now, I'm personally a big fan of that because of when I'm not using it. I do like the ability to just put it here, swing it away from me, and not use it anymore. Now, you did notice there as well that this microphone does have to be fairly close to your mouth in order to get a really good quality sound. So in the packaging, you get your microphone here as well. Now you get two kind of covers for it. You get just your standard like microphone cover that goes over top. They also give you a pop filter cover like this as well. Now, I'm not a really big fan of these for the purposes I was using, because if you have this here, it'd be this way. If I'm trying to film and I'm like this, you see even less of my face. So it depends on the what you're using it for. But this piece here is really cool. It just attaches onto the arm like so with a little clamp. Really nifty. Then you also get a tabletop stand. So if you'd like, you can take this microphone out of this stand, which goes in here, and you can just use it as a tabletop fashion as well. Now, like I said, this is a USB microphone. So no matter what, no matter how expensive you get of a USB microphone, it could be $300, you're just not gonna get the same quality as you would with an actually high professional microphone. So you won't get that same quality, but at the same time, you still do get really good sound quality from this microphone, as you can see right now. Now, if we did test it, you can see you do have to be fairly close, which is understandable. So let's go Malone Post, 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 Malone Post. And that's where you can see how far away you do have to be for this microphone to be effective. If you do want to get into podcasting or anything like that, this is a great introductory microphone. It basically gives you everything that you would need to figure out your space. And that's, you don't know at the beginning if you want a tabletop or you want a boom arm, whatever setup you do want to use. So I do like that it gives you the options and you have those accessories. That way, if you want to switch them out in the future, it's really simple. There's only one thing I do not like about this microphone, and then it's that it came with no form of cable management. So if you notice, I have my cable plugged in here. And then they kind of have some tracks like routed into here where you can add the cable in. But the thing is, like, in order for the cable to run through these tracks here, you have to go through this tube out here around this hole down. And it looks like it has that. But to do that, I would actually have to cut off the USB end, put it through, re-splice the cable back together in order to get like seamless cable management, which is just not a realistic situation. So I just use a little bit of black duct tape to tape the cable along here, let it run down here, and then it runs underneath my desk and then connects to my PC underneath over here. So it does give you, I think it's a 6-foot cable. 6 foot is just the right amount of length for what I need, and I think for you 6 feet should be plenty as well. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, it will be linked in the description down below. Please use our affiliate link. That helps us out tremendously. Don't forget to check out Malone Post Gaming as well. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching.